Umboclat.
Happy New Year! Yes, Happy New Year to all who you want me there.
Go down for it. Blood. Why? Hold them.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to my enemy. Happy New Year to my supporter. Happy New Year to my do this. Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year.
Well, I know Paul this one. Today we're going to do with mackerel. And it is mackerel versus our landlord, Miss Annette. I think that's her name. Rent, raise, water bill. All of them stuff, but they just listen for themselves.
For young girl, for sure.
Yes.
Left it for young.
From 13,
From your 12, me a 4 billion, me a 13.
when I 30, me start.
Yeah, you're too late. You not enjoy it. You know, when the boy a box and choke, you not enjoy it. But you want up on the skin for $300 or 300 $300 Miss Annette. Miss Annette, 300. Go and pay $300 over pay master. Miss Annette, at least you're lucky the pipe never did that run. You're lucky the pipe never did that run.
Tell her the right thing.
We don't come to call my friend name with them, but we'll tell her, because my friend will never take your side. Men are all money, no men. I say you went up in front of me doorway, you're your man.
Let me hear the lady hear me.
But we should.
More personal use electricity or appliances.
Yeah, right. Alright, I'm gonna talk now. I say you're your man, wet up out a door. Your man wet up in front of me doorway. And then your man come like he want to beat me. Are you wet up out there when you fix the table, when you pull down your table? Are you wet up out there? And then you never come around and say the water leak. And then you want to come talk. I can't take problem, people. When you feel like I'm going to pay my big money and then you're going to live uncomfortable. I'm not going to pay my money and live uncomfortable. No go so. Oh, yeah, did I use the pipe today? When me and Mena and Mark come out of the house, there was using the pipe. And we will come back and sweep it. If we never come on the contact, you never know the leak it a pipe lead up to having breathing mosquito, fly, swarm fly, and then something there.
You have it wet up before that.
Me have it wet up. Me have it wet up. But me have it wet up before that. Your place are wet up. You have to use the people. You have to, when the people pay rent, you have to use your fix up the place. Because at the end of the day, why you tenant them?
No tenant like you, we want trace.
Me want trace because you want thief me.
I don't want fix no way for you.
Yeah, if you don't want fix me, I take it out of your rent. Me don't need to have no money. Me don't want obligation. Me pay my money. Me not catch it. I ain't a squatter. I ain't begging.
You get it fixed up?
I ain't begging. Me not get it no fixed up. Your door is rotting down.
You the rent here fixed
up? Your door is rotting down.
So you didn't get it?
Yeah, no, because it takes time and it gradually rotting down.
Well, now that you know it rot down.
I'm going to fix it until I leave.
You move now?
No, me I fix it first.
Fix what?
The door.
I know your place.
No, you can't tell me like I'm my safety. Go on to the station, I'm my safety. I'm supposed to live somewhere and be safe. Away you go, come here.
Are you going?
Yes.
You going pop off?
Pop you up then, no? Pop you up then.
Lock
you up then, no? If you lock them out underneath me, lock you up then, no? Say me to call police by you.
For me?
Yeah. Come stand up back right here, so.
Come. Don't trace him, little girl.
Me not just. No, first and foremost, I'm a big man. Me fuck from you. Yeah, I'm cocky them. So, I'm not chasing them. I talk, not.
Get the place in a good condition.
No. We get the house now with a half rotten down door. Remember, I the same day leave got water bottom, it rotten. Me can get a place today and by tomorrow the inches are drop out.
Well, now that it a drop out.
Me I go fix it until me come out.
You run out?
Who run out? You're right. After me now run out. You have to.
I want no water for wash underneath you.
I like you tell. I like you tell. Hands never near me yet. A straight cocky. Straight mouth near me. A straight mouth near me. So you got to tell about hands second. I'm kidding. Go chew right here do away. Any hands me see by me. Me kill him and kill right here do away. And I say one cockroach in there, we carry right here the way, can I rubbish bin?
See my rubbish bin, let me know.
I run them, I control my rubbish too.
Oh yeah?
Of course.
We are going to see who bad and who.
No, we do with badness. When you see the big man push badness. Men, the lady push badness too.
When your water lock off, me bad on you when me make your water lock off.
You bother me?
Me not have to fight fist.
If you bother, if you make my water lock off. But if you make my water lock off, one man over there so look, me just hook up him and give me some water. You can't tell that we're parent, you're right.
Parent?
Of course. Thank you, Jesus.
I don't want no
write me the notice.
You go to security.
No, write me the notice. Man, I tell her to write the notice.
You didn't get notice where you
Men I tell her write the notice. By right, I'm supposed to give you a 10 of them notice. By why you want people money? That's why you don't want to give them no notice. Because you want to say they occupy your place. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Then what parents when they get notice? If what make a parent fan at the end of the day need to leave. That makes sense. Don't rent people your place. Take a place and give it up for charity. Take a place and give it up for charity.
When you get notice, miss, you must continue to pay your rent until you move in.
But every time some move and still get notice. You don't tell people fool. Can I go your business? Can I go your business? You want people rent people a place and then you want disrespect people on top of it and go out. No, well, if you can't tell us I'm not pay children, then no way. Here, Mena, listen, I'm supposed to loud because I pay my money.
No.
Miss Annette, Mena, I never go in on Miss Annette. No, Miss Mena, I never go in on Miss Annette and talk to her peacefully.
No, you start loud.
No, I'm talking to her peacefully. Mena.
Start explaining to you what the children for. I explained the night before. I explained so many times in the text.
Mena, listen. She come and she said, when she send me the bill, when she said it is December water bill, Annette can't see me because you see one thing with me. You go, let me tell you. Time young, but time no fool. Yeah?
Well, you fool if you
time young, but time no fool. Mena, it come to $1,700. It come to $3,000. $3,000, Mena. So if me pay $2,000, first she said me pay $1,700, you know. If me pay,
because you were alone.
No. It cannot. Why you were alone? No, man, I was here. Man, I was here. You know what always for me use? Exactly. So I'm for pay $300 now. Oh, exactly. Me used to go and come on my man. So they are still $1,700 because I was hardly here. But after the 5 away, you soon see 50 away in here.
Then you're going to pay.
You soon see 80 100 away in here.
Yes,
Of course.
And when I say pay 500 more or 1,000 more,
We attack. When I am on the road, they tell us to pay no miss.
2 against 5?
But 2 against 5. 2 against 5, you can't do the same. You can't do the same. You soon you can't do the same. I come complain to men about Abby was here. Don't call Abby name because Abby didn't even know you miss. Don't call Abby name. You're that big money you mix up. No mistake. You have to have your facts them straight. Because see how much lie you got to tell. Name me 5. Name them.
The 5 you were on.
Name the 5.
Extra.
But 5. Go and pay $300 for me. Go on.
Pay the extra.
Yeah, move like a man. I shall move like $1,000 open the bill. I want $2,000. Yeah, aunt down young girl for $300. Eh? You put it for your balance brought forward.
And you're going to add to GC.
And then you're going to pay half.
Of that late fee, you're going to add 700 more.
I won't pay them there. You see how she thief?
$300 going to lead to a 250 late fee plus GC.
Oh, if it be late fee, we pay a bill. So Miss Annette, you pay a bill yet? Eh? You pay a bill yet?
If you leave 1 cent and it go over the due date, them charge late fee.
You know, Miss Annette, there's a thief in woman that say, oh, it's empty. You know, there's a thief in woman that say, oh, it's empty. You there's a thief in. Me that. Eh? Me a charge your tongue.
Understand about the late fee bill of not paying a bill on time?
Men, I'm tell you, number one, them can't cut off your water bill, so. What? Let me tell you about water. Come here. Cause since come here. First and foremost, Water Commission give you months and months before they cut off your water bill. When you owe $100,000, men are like Rose. How much money she did owe before she pay? Come here, Miss Annette. JPS. Cut off your bill, mena. When you see if you owe over $1,000 upon the bill, that is how JPS cut off your bill, and they don't cut it off so fast. You understand? Nobody now cut off no bill because come here, Miss Annette. Come here.
Oh.
Yeah, come here, Miss Annette. Come here. Miss Annette, come here. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. You're not feeling for thief people, you're that big one. Miss Annette, you're a thief. Miss Annette. Of course. You show me a bill, yeah? You show me a bill one. But where you want? You want to come tell me some if pay all that time, you don't pay none. You're a thief because you want to pay all that bill and you don't pay none.
I have 5 smarty round.
Me have 5. You know you style it.
2 smarty round there sometime. It's done for 2 weeks now. You know you style it. Eh?
You know you style it.
That's me one.
You know you style it.
Versus 5 of you round here.
What all you push them and you style it round there.
5 of you round
All
here.
you push them you style it round there.
So pay the extra for the 5 of you.
You pay the 3 bills for 5 away. Since it's a problem to you, go and go pay it.
No, it's your, I use 5 people around here.
First me pay 17, then for go back again and go pay 3. Okay, can you feel like we pick up money from half a road for come give on it?
Because you had 5 of you around here, so I said pay an extra.
Miss Annette,
You left $100 back.
Miss Annette,
Plus I put 200 for that, and that's what it came to 300.
Miss Annette, go on.
Whatever.
Miss Annette, you're too little bit and
You
thief.
left $100 balance, and I put 200 for it and said pay 370. Right?
Me lady go say, me left Ojida at balance and then she add on herself for pay, and then she add on 2 bills for.
When you paid 1630 and it was 1
It's 1685 and it was
1630.
1685 1685 1685
And I add that to 200 and something, and that's how you get 370.
1685. Go and pay 370. Go on.
The 370 including the $100 balance here.
You're too thief, man.
All teeth come in.
You're too thief. Then you got
Understand what
then
it
you
is?
then you got and you fi understand. That don't mean say me fi understand renting. Me fi understand thieving too.
Teeth in and you get a bill.
Boy, you're thief because me fi pay 2,000 and you pay $1,000. Eh? I
Yes,
told
ma'am, you
I
want
told
to
her. No fair time me for down your man. November, December. I since December I start coming. So I'm for pay $2,000. So since I'm get water bill in November I come here.
So since the
So since people in there, you're too thief, man.
I think the 5 people
You're too thief. Me not even down here in November, December. Me not down here. So I'm for pay more than you.
Since the 5 people.
But since the 5 people that cover, the 5 people that cover under what I paid.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, you being dishonest and thief.
Are you dishonest and thief?
If you are use light, if you share light bill with somebody, and one have fridge and one no have fridge. The one who have the fridge.
Miss Annette, we are going to take, Miss Annette, you have vexed because we are saying to the man, I'm beg a man come lift up the fridge. Miss Annette run, Miss Annette run, come on and beg him to lift up the fridge. Come here and say, probably she a woman and she can't marry. Miss Annette, I say, I was
Vex
say,
on that.
who vex? Me know, Miss Annette.
Auntie man, you want in here.
Jesus Christ.
So train them in-loyal to me and run, come tell me. You vex.
The man don't go tell her.
For people, man.
Miss Annette,
Eh?
Miss Annette, Miss Annette, your man ain't my type. Miss Annette, your man ain't, Miss Annette.
The house and show him where you can go. by.
Miss Annette, your man ain't my type.
Smart.
Miss
Run
Annette,
The girl that called me for fix fridge in there and the don't want she wind up her ass.
Miss Annette, your man is, Mena, Miss Annette, man, your type.
Eh? So
Miss
you
Annette,
call-
man, your type.
So you call people
Miss
man there.
Miss Annette, Miss Annette, your
Would
man.
you call people man there?
You might never know. Miss Annette, your man, probably me take your man, Miss Annette, probably I live here free. Miss Annette, Miss Annette, no, probably I live here free. Probably I live here free.
No size of cock.
Probably,
If you're afraid of size of cock, you wouldn't want to call any man to come in and your place.
Miss Annette, probably I live here. And probably man that move you out and move me in.
So you're Bex fan them time.
Me Bex?
You have we up fan.
Yeah, man, on my type. Yeah, man, on my
Bex fan.
lady.
Man liar.
Lady, you man a liar, take you know when they how much how long you not see him. Month and the do see man. Month and yeah. Month and the do see man. Of course. No, check can I use pipe. Check can go go on your bed. But I still me one.
One somebody can use much.
You use it more than way.
$1,200 if you pay.
But want to so go on since I want to
Fix for when me fix you know you can run why.
no, you know what about
One pretty door
we know,
expensive
we know,
door.
$100,000 do we want. $100,000 do you forgive me. You see them do around us, I see them do around us. So I tell you different. After for beautify what?
I don't know what.
A beautify what? You think I'm coming here to beautify? What beautify?
You know work there.
Go on, yeah. But me go buy the door to your rent money.
I'm not married money.
Out your rent money, me go buy the door.
Money, I want security.
Eh, me go fix up. Me have go fix up your place. Fix it up for what?
Your security money.
What are we sick? Then give me my security money. Give me
No,
it.
you leave it out.
No, me don't want to leave it out. Me want it back.
You're not getting
Me
it.
want it back.
You're not
Me
getting
want it back.
It due.
But
Next
it due.
Eh,
But it due.
next week,
But it due.
18th.
But go on and give me back money.
Give back money.
Yeah.
Unless me see the truck pop up out the door.
No, the truck now pack up.
Well, if the truck not come pop outside.
Can your man come move
and
you?
you give me key and me lock my door, you ain't get it.
Your man come move you to move me in.
Alright, live dream. Live your dream. You know, your fantasy world. That's your day I wish for.
Me I wish.
That's
Me
how
I
you have we up.
Jesus
And you
Christ.
put me out and take you in.
Me no want Miss Annette, your man is 8 my type. My man them nice, I can show you them.
Me no want
My man them nice. Miss Annette, him fi kill me. Miss Annette, him fi kill. Miss Annette, him brown Annette, and see boy brown. And him fi kill me, Miss Annette. Me rather my man beat me and kill me more than him only a trace me like my girl. Me no want your man trace you. Me and my man a cuss. Me want when me a cuss, them the neighbors not hear my man mouth. Me no want them to hear the two of we mouth.
You prefer hear them as hear.
Yeah. More them hear me a scream. More them think I fuck me I get.
A scream out say you.
Yeah, I scream out so yeah. Me. Who said don't kill me?
I said me and a broke.
But Anna bro, move for yourself. Whatever about Anna bro, you to mix it. Here goes again. One never mix up your start.
Sleep.
But out if we wake up, yeah, your man wake we up out of our sleep regular. I play loud music.
No, you ain't sleeping because you run, come on.
Yeah, no, enough time. You go like a one time, the man a play music. And if you respect Tenant man, I respect.
Him play the music.
But Tenant a play. How much time you man a play music? Enough time your man a play music. You don't play music a day, but you don't want to play music at night. Night people got them bed and relax their nerve.
Went you that road.
Now me have to sell my pussy, Miss Annette. You don't know what I do. You don't know what, of course. Me have young baby rolling up on bricks and that make nice.
Me never rent young
You don't tell me what we rent. You rent your place and we do whatever we want to do.
rent you alone.
You don't tell me you rent me. You rent my name alone upon the receipt. But I bring anybody I want to bring here.
So if it's you alone, it says you alone.
Well, me can't tell anything I want to tell you.
Okay, well now that
Me can't tell you anything I want to tell you.
Well now that the truth revealed.
But know that the truth reveal. You soon see 8 away in here, in a one room.
Run
You
out.
soon see 50 away.
Pack them up and come.
Of course, you go pack them up and come.
You know no water for wash no skin and only in your start smell.
We know if you buy water, and you can make the water cut off for we. You that be a Miss Annette come here, cause you're that
We
teaching.
shall see.
Miss Annette, why did Miss Annette come? Why did Miss Annette come to
No
your
more.
mom? Why did Miss Annette come to your mom for pay 20,000 for like me?
20,000. No, you are a liar. 20,000.
Why?
20,000 fam.
Miss Mena.
Where do you need that figure from?
Mena, and that Miss Annette put 2 0 and 3 0 back in. Not 20,000. 1 2 1 0 and 3. What are you? Can you message?
You say 20,000.
20,000, right?
Sure.
I'm calling the same time.
Sure.
No, I can't show her right now.
No, if you're real, sure.
I'm say to Miss Annette, how much?
3 0 points and 2 more 0.
Man, I'm say 2 0.3 more 0. Miss Annette, you tell us you want to take people for food.
You say 2.
That's why, when they come to your tenant them, if you come with the right figure.
Where people don't get 20,000 for what for light bill? Which part you have in here for 20?
No, because probably want to pay you fee and fee light bill.
Oh, please. But
Yeah.
don't you get an account number?
But probably don't you get an account number. A lucky thing, you know, when she sent me the first bill,
If
when she said
20,000
pay.
is there, I must have error that.
Then if you write it good, write it good. Don't,
I am sure
people
you
like you not to make mistake.
Right?
People like you not to make mistake and you're so perfect.
But you already did get the figure.
But
I'm asking you now.
And then they're going to give me wrong figure after. And then they're going to give me wrong figure after.
No, because there was a question relating to the first one.
But-
I said, did you pay the 2,000 and the light bill?
But did you
that
pay?
was the question. Did you pay
But
the
did
2,000?
you know for one thief people, man.
Oh.
Can you know what people do in their life to get their money, man?
Yo.
If the question is...
Everything you call me now. Everything you call me now.
Because she have more sense than...
But me not talk to you. You know, sister, me not talk. Me not talk to Miss Annette.
The truth.
Me not talk to you. Me not just laugh to you, laugh off for you in your mind, in her mind.
No, she hear it now.
She not listen to you. She not listen to you. Yeah, let me tell you what Miss Annette want to do. Me tell you what kind of feelings Miss Annette bring me now. Is it true? She asked Mark's father for come take the cat them, and true me tell Mark say, don't take the cat them, and that Miss Annette bring feelings. Nobody want a wild cat in their yard. People want cat when they can pet.
With that.
And that's why you're vexed, Miss Annette. You can't cat feeling. Don't kind of puss feelings, Miss Annette. You're a big woman.
Me not be done with that. Because me done deal with what me fi deal with.
You're a big woman.
Just say now we get the table and the whatnot because you never do that. And you never call him to carry me at the doctor. Right?
Miss Annette.
So you use
Miss
it.
Annette, further forward, I never. Miss Annette, she said she not gonna give them one table and one whatnot. So here I was the deal now. She gonna give them the whatnot and the table and then take a cat.
Who that in your house and make up? Who at the gate. What you want? I call out Blacker.
Bombo in one color cock up.
What's your name, sir?
Bomban! Hey, never tell her, man.
You know anybody named Blacker? You see you disrespectful you. Imagine me tell me I pay for fix the door. Right?
Yeah. We never catch this man live. Wait. Wait. Mena. See the chance money more meet again. She people more than me.
Get away from here. Get away from here if you can't address me decently.
Yeah, but
Don't come on my gate and come ball out no slang word. Address me by my name.
how are you again?
Well, if you don't know it, leave. Move along. Right? Go along. Because you don't know respect. And you give encouragement to who live in here. To disrespect. Right? Because me left you to fix the door, half in here, and you run and slaughter me. And you go out the side. And you go out the side and carry on board the door. And me fix it. You your toes on the door, not even fix good. And me carry your toes on the there. The door never fix it.
Cock up. Cock up. See, God, cause I know. Cock up, come here. See, man, God, cause you. Cock up. Miss Allen.
You thought I mean
Miss Allen, come here. Miss Allen, come here, Miss Allen. Miss Allen, pay him. Miss Allen, come here, pay for fix the door. Miss Allen, come here now. Yeah, them, it's a bra for them. Go on, come, Miss Allen, no?
Cock up.
Cock up! Come, Miss Allen, no? The man come for money. The man come for money, and Miss Allen, no, give man the money. Come, and the man, let me tell you, say, we just come call her, and him fix the door. And he did that donor, and he must say, my king can't bother with crosses people, and how much he have in business, figure about. And he have in business for go bo, and he might cut. Remember me I did it on the phone when he might cuss her. Cock up! Bob bad and name them bad. No stop, it's all it is I look at save. Cock up gun. I wish she gone.
I said the people are missing. One tear Tony and Macri, Papa.
Oh, just see that a while ago. Miss Annie for go man, man, she too wicked. Miss Annie say, Abby, man, I call her pay for that. Miss Annie say, Abby, come over here.
No, Abby, go where I call Abby for.
Cause she too mix up, man. Say a big woman, she mix up, she baga here.
For us, we got to call the man for the local fight.
Miss Annette! I wish you gone. Cock up! Mina, call her. She be answer you, Mina. Call her, Mina.
Miss Annette.
No, say cock up. Actually, she not go come. She not go come for you. Then you have the bar. The man just come and say, cock up! Jesus, we have to call her back. Come go call her, Mina.
Lord, woman alone. You know nothing to do.
No, me go call her back. Come on, about the water bill again. Yeah, somebody cock up one dirty woman in real life.
Somebody said, no, Miss Annette, why are they behaving like that?
Miss Annette! Cat. Come here now.
You fuck,
Come here, Miss Annette. Miss Annette, come here. I thought me I show you.
Me?
Me I show you something on the phone. Miss Annette, I think I'm on this a while ago. Miss Annette, come here now.
No.
Miss Annette, I thought me I show you.
Not the place. I'm going to do my work. I don't want no knife.
Come here.
I was around there, you would show me.
Me I show you now.
Tomorrow morning.
No, me not. You right see? After me not reply your timing. Come here.
Better work up on and cut the knife.
Come here now.
Stop calling me young lady.
Still I'm hungry.
Miss Annette. Miss Annette, I'm mad. Miss Annette! Bombo clock, man, I call police fire, me now. Hey? Call him, Miss Annette, call him for me now for you. Call him.
Go on, you do the power.
Mena, sexy spark say your house and clean. At least have roof over head. Nah, left for the woman gone on her room, me na call her.